Welcome to Singing with Ron! Welcome to the next video. This next little exercise is an exercise, kind of a little breathing hack that you can do just to help you when you feel like things are not working quite properly down here. And what it is it's standing on one leg. So I stand on one leg, and when I do that, it I feel my ribs expand here, and I feel my body engage all the way around, so that it's like an instant way to kind of help you find support. So if I'm like, happy birthday to you, but then if I stand on one leg, happy birthday to you, I have more support. My voice is more resonant and vibrant. So that's a quick little hack to help you, just help you find your support.